1. I believe that when people say something is impossible, it's only impossible because a strategy has not been found yet. The notion that something is impossible often stems from a lack of discovered strategy rather than an inherent unfeasibility. The sentence, "I believe that when people say something is impossible, it's only impossible because a strategy has not been found yet," encapsulates a powerful and optimistic perspective. This viewpoint emphasizes the importance of persistence, innovation, and a growth mindset, suggesting that human ingenuity can eventually overcome any challenge. At the heart of this belief is an unwavering optimism and determination. The statement implies that the label of impossible is not a definitive judgment but rather a temporary state awaiting a breakthrough. This perspective encourages individuals to remain hopeful and persistent, even when faced with daunting obstacles. It suggests that what is perceived as impossible today may become achievable tomorrow with the right approach and effort. Innovation and problem-solving are central themes in this viewpoint. By attributing impossibility to the lack of a discovered strategy, the sentence highlights the critical role of creative thinking and persistent problem-solving. It encourages individuals to look beyond conventional methods and to explore new, uncharted territories in search of solutions. This mindset fosters an environment where innovation is not just encouraged but deemed necessary for progress. The belief also reflects a growth mindset, a concept popularized by psychologist Carol Dweck. A growth mindset is the belief that abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. This perspective contrasts with a fixed mindset, which views abilities as static and unchangeable. By adopting a growth mindset, individuals are more likely to embrace challenges, learn from setbacks, and persist in the face of difficulties. The sentence suggests that what appears impossible is simply an invitation to learn, adapt, and find new strategies. Underlying this belief is a profound faith in human ingenuity. History is replete with examples of seemingly impossible feats being achieved through perseverance and innovation. From the invention of the airplane to the development of life-saving medical treatments, many advancements were once considered impossible. This belief in human potential inspires confidence that with enough time, effort, and creativity, solutions can be found for even the most challenging problems. The implications of this perspective are significant. It encourages persistence, motivating individuals to continue striving toward their goals despite setbacks. It promotes innovation by valuing creative problem-solving and the exploration of new ideas. Additionally, it fosters continuous learning and adaptation, as it recognizes that knowledge and strategies can evolve over time. This mindset can lead to greater resilience and a more proactive approach to overcoming obstacles. In conclusion, the statement, "I believe that when people say something is impossible, it's only impossible because a strategy has not been found yet," embodies a powerful and optimistic outlook. It underscores the importance of persistence, innovation, and a growth mindset in overcoming challenges. By believing in the potential for human ingenuity to find solutions, this perspective encourages individuals to remain hopeful and determined in the face of obstacles. Ultimately, it suggests that the impossible is merely a challenge waiting to be conquered through creativity and relentless effort. 2. The extent to which you take responsibility over something is the extent to which you take control over it. The sentence, "The extent to which you take responsibility over something is the extent to which you take control over it," encapsulates a profound insight into the dynamics of responsibility and control. It emphasizes the critical role that personal accountability plays in influencing and managing situations. By linking responsibility directly to control, the sentence suggests that individuals can significantly affect outcomes by choosing to take responsibility. This perspective fosters empowerment, a proactive approach, and enhanced self-efficacy. At the heart of this statement is the notion of responsibility. By emphasizing "you," the sentence personalizes the message, underscoring the importance of individual action. Taking responsibility means acknowledging one's role in a situation and committing to influence its outcome. This personal accountability is crucial in both personal and professional contexts. When individuals take responsibility, they are not only acknowledging their part but also committing to making a difference. The sentence establishes a direct correlation between the level of responsibility assumed and the amount of control gained. This proportional relationship suggests that the more responsibility one takes, the more control one has over the situation. By taking responsibility, individuals position themselves to influence outcomes actively. This control is not about exerting power over others but about managing and directing situations to achieve desired results. This perspective is empowering. It suggests that individuals are not merely passive recipients of circumstances but active agents capable of shaping their environment. By choosing to take responsibility, individuals empower themselves to make changes and address challenges effectively. This empowerment is crucial for personal growth and development, as it fosters a sense of agency and self-determination. The sentence also promotes a proactive approach. Instead of waiting for external factors to change or for someone else to take charge, it encourages individuals to step up and take responsibility. This proactive stance is essential for effective problem-solving and leadership. In professional settings, leaders who take responsibility are more likely to have control over their teams and projects, leading to better outcomes and higher levels of trust and respect from their colleagues. Furthermore, this mindset enhances self-efficacy, the belief in one's ability to effect change and achieve goals. By taking responsibility and subsequently gaining control, individuals reinforce their confidence in their capacity to manage and influence their circumstances. This belief in one's abilities is crucial for motivation and perseverance, especially in the face of challenges. In conclusion, the sentence, "The extent to which you take responsibility over something is the extent to which you take control over it," highlights the strong link between responsibility and control. It suggests that by assuming responsibility, individuals can significantly enhance their ability to influence and manage situations. This perspective encourages personal accountability, a proactive approach, and empowerment. By taking responsibility, individuals not only gain control but also foster a sense of self-efficacy and effective leadership. Embracing this mindset can lead to greater personal and professional success, as individuals actively shape their paths and outcomes. 3. If you do not know how to be happy now, you will never ever be happy even with all the goals you achieve. The sentence, "If you do not know how to be happy now, you will never ever be happy even with all the goals you achieve," highlights a profound truth about the nature of happiness. It suggests that happiness is an internal state that must be cultivated in the present, rather than something that can be achieved through future goals or external accomplishments. This perspective emphasizes the importance of finding joy and contentment in the current moment and implies that true happiness is independent of external achievements. At the core of this sentence is the idea that happiness is a skill or mindset that must be developed now. The phrase, "know how to be happy," suggests that happiness is not merely a result of favorable circumstances but rather a way of thinking and being that can be learned and practiced. This implies that individuals have the power to create their own happiness through their attitudes, choices, and behaviors, regardless of their external situations. The sentence also highlights the difference between internal happiness and external achievements. It suggests that external success, such as reaching goals or acquiring material wealth, will not bring lasting happiness if one has not already learned to be happy in the present. This emphasizes that true happiness comes from within and is not solely dependent on external circumstances. Achievements can bring temporary satisfaction, but they cannot replace the deep, enduring sense of joy that comes from internal contentment. This perspective has significant implications for how individuals approach their lives and their pursuit of happiness. It encourages a focus on the present moment, urging individuals to cultivate happiness now rather than deferring it to the future. This can be achieved through mindfulness and gratitude practices, which help individuals appreciate the present and find joy in everyday life. Mindfulness encourages living in the moment and fully experiencing each moment as it comes, while gratitude helps individuals focus on the positive aspects of their lives, fostering a sense of contentment. The sentence also suggests that true happiness comes from intrinsic factors such as personal growth, relationships, and inner peace rather than extrinsic achievements like wealth, status, or accolades. This implies a holistic approach to success, where personal well-being and happiness are considered as important as professional or material accomplishments. By prioritizing intrinsic satisfaction, individuals can create a more balanced and fulfilling life. In conclusion, the sentence, "If you do not know how to be happy now, you will never ever be happy even with all the goals you achieve," emphasizes the importance of cultivating happiness in the present moment. It suggests that true happiness is an internal state that is independent of external achievements and must be developed through a mindful and grateful approach to life. This perspective encourages individuals to focus on the present, prioritize intrinsic satisfaction, and adopt a holistic approach to success. By finding joy and contentment in the here and now, individuals can create a deeply fulfilling and happy life.